Yeah, obviously, if it's a finished out basement like this, you're gonna have just one set of utilities. So
Yeah.
Right, there's that, yeah.
But
We also, with this, wouldn't have any storage, really, Ryan?
Oh, right.
Because this is
there
a...
anything in the flat
So this is kind of a 2-bedroom down here, which they said it was one down, huh? Well, I guess because this one doesn't have a closet or something. I know. Yeah, that tree is like... Desi!
you could.
Hey, Des? Des? Where are you, hon? What? Oh, did you find some toys?
Yeah, look at this ball shakes like.
Oh, it does? That's so cool.
Look at this one.
Yeah. That's neat. Rare na nair na nair. Hoppity hop. Des, you want to go look upstairs with me? Let's go look up.
After we can look out.
Yeah, we can look outside, but I want to see up first. Come up here with me, puppies. Ooh, it's steep. It's like a ladder. Can you climb up a ladder? Oh. Oh, gosh, Des, are you okay? Are you making it okay, hon? Are you making it okay? They're dirty?
Yeah.
A little bit, huh? Oh. Yeah, he has a TV in here, doesn't he? This guy has a lot of baseball caps.
Look at this bag.